Before your team start assembling your drone, there are some safety precautions you need to know. When soldering, it is important to wear your safety glasses. Never leave the soldering gun plugged in unattended. Don't touch the soldering gun when plugged in. If pregnant or trying to get pregnant, use lead-free solder.
The number one rule when flying or soldering is always wear your safety glasses. Before flying, put your rotor guards on for both yours and other people's safety. They can either be bought or 3D printed. Always stay a safe distance away from your copter when you're about to fly and while flying. Flying inside is okay, but if you have a lot of space, it is a good idea to fly in netting. Always take precautions when around a flying copter. When flying outside, make sure you have your drone previously registered. Always fly on flat surfaces, don't fly over people, and don't fly around or above airports. When flying autonomous attempts, have a cord attached and always be ready to kill the power.
Battery safety. Pick up the battery by its body, not the leads. When charging, keep the battery in a lipo-safe bag and don't leave the battery charging unattended. Don't charge hot batteries. There is a video listed showing how to tell if a battery is swollen. Set balance charge correctly. There's a video showing how to correctly balance a LiPo charger.